The Mukiya Foldable 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charging station is a thoughtfully engineered solution for Apple users who value performance, portability, and design in equal measure. It successfully combines fast MagSafe charging, strong magnetic alignment, intelligent thermal management, and a genuinely compact foldable design into a single, refined product. This is an ideal charger for users who want a single, elegant hub for their iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, without sacrificing charging speed or desk aesthetics. Add in the included 20-watt charger, quiet nightlight, and excellent build quality, and the Mukiya charger positions itself as a premium yet practical everyday companion. For anyone invested in the Apple ecosystem and looking to simplify their charging setup at home or on the go, this is a product that delivers both convenience and confidence every single day.